Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Danielle and today I have a huge fall haul from the Dollar Tree. So if you guys are interested in seeing the things that I picked up and maybe you are interested in running over to your Dollar Tree, let me go ahead and show you what I found. Alright, so I know it's still August and people are probably like, hey, the kids are barely just going back to school or haven't gone back yet. What's the rush? If you guys are familiar with the Dollar Tree, which I'm sure everybody is, you know that once you find stuff or once their like seasonal decor comes out, you have to run and go and get it right then and there because it's like here today, gone tomorrow, gotta kind of get it when you can. So I was out with the kids today kind of doing some running around for like last minute school stuff and I ran into the Dollar Tree and I seen all their fall stuff, so I was like, let me go ahead and pick up some things. This year I am going to try to minimize my fall decor a little bit. I don't want to just throw it all out like I did last year. I just kind of want to incorporate more like fall tones, and I kind of want to try to keep it up until my fall decor basically stays up until I put up my Christmas stuff. I might in October throw in a couple like spookier decorations, but for the most part I keep the whole like same type of decor up until my Christmas stuff goes up. So let me go ahead and show you what I got. Right, I'm just grabbing from the bags here. The first thing I found was these like little pumpkin clips. I thought they were really cute. They're like this really pretty cream color and they have like little brown spots on them, and they do have the clips. I'm pretty sure you could probably just pop them off, these clips. But for 3 of them were $1, so I got 1 pack of these. And then they did have them in like this like burnt orange color, and then they have the traditional orange, and I think they had like a maroon. But I got this, but they do have like some maroon like lining in them. So I got these for like a DIY or something. I'll figure out something for them. And then I was there and I came across, these are new this year, these like burlap leaves. So I got 2 packs of these beige ones, and then I got 2 packs of these maroon ones, and I think, okay. And I got 1 pack of the green ones. I did take them out of the, I did open up the bag so I can kind of give you guys a show of what they look like. So they are pretty decent size. I mean, here's the size of my hand and they're pretty big. But they do have like this stem, like this metal stem on them. So if you wanted to like put them in styrofoam and stand them up, you could. Or you could twist them. Or I was thinking of even making like a, getting some jute twine and kind of wrapping these around and hanging them. I don't know, I got a few different DIYs in mind, so stay tuned. I'll probably share them with you guys. But yeah, so I got a couple of those in all different colors. And then I found these and I was like, oh my god, these are so pretty. So I got 2 packs of them. Let me find the other one so I opened up this one. I got these, they're like the galvanized metal signs. They're like a good size. And they come in the words, if you see here, harvest, a thankful harvest and welcome. So you can keep this welcome one out for a very long time, like all year long. But so what I did, I wanted to open them. I picked up 2 when I seen them. I was like, let me just grab 2 of them because I'll figure out something. They are kind of like flimsy, but they're pretty nice though. Look at these. For $1 for 3 of them, I mean, you could really step up your DIY game with these ones. So here's the thankful, and the lettering is really pretty. This was a really great buy. This was, Dollar Tree really came through on these ones. So I got 2 packs of those because I'll figure out something for them. I did find this sign here, and it says gather together, and it kind of has like the whole wooden sign. It is like the cardboard, whatever. I wish it didn't have the glitter. I really hate the glitter stuff, but it's not too bad, and it has like this little string to hang it from. I'm thinking I might do this in my kitchen and put it like in a brief or something. I don't know, or sometimes I just put them on the shelves in my wall in my living room, so I might do that. These are kind of the color schemes I'm going with. So like the burnt orange, the like mustard yellow, the greens, and the burgundies. Those are always, and like cream colors, like that's like my favorite color palette for fall. So yeah, I found this. They did have a bunch of stuff like that together, but I wasn't really digging some of it. I also came across these packs of these decorative ribbon, and these are kind of like the burlap ones, and they have little leaves on them, and they have like the gold tracings. I don't know if what I'm going to do, I might put them on like a centerpiece for my table, or do a wreath with these. I'm thinking I might do a wreath and also put them out there. I mean, there's so many different ways to go. So usually I have a wreath on my front door, a wreath on my window in my kitchen, and then I have centerpieces kind of like all over the house. So I did pick 2 packs of these, and they're really nice because they do have like the burlap look, but they have like the plastic on the bottom, so they're pretty durable. So I picked up 2 of these, and there's 2 pack for $1, so you can't really beat that. Oh, here's another set of those pumpkins. Here is the burgundy ones that I got. And like I said, these are like I really enjoy the colors. And 3 for $1, you can really, like I said, these decorations are very neutral for fall. So like I said, September, October, November, and that's what I plan on doing with these. I did pick up 2 of these burlap pumpkins. They did have these last year, and I believe I have some, but I just wanted to pick up a couple more, so I picked up 2 of these. They have like these cream looking ones, so I picked up 2 of those. And I believe I have orange ones already down in my like storage. And then they did come out with some new ribbon, and this is the thicker ribbon. I'll tell you what it is. It's 6 inches by 3 yards, and I got 2 of them. And what this one is like the white with the like orange foiled leaves. I thought this was just really pretty. So I'm going to open it. I'm kind of going to pick my brain a little bit. I don't know if I'm going to do a wreath with these or just make a bow for a burlap wreath, or maybe just glue this around a cylinder and put some, you know, maybe a candle on the inside. I don't know. The possibilities are endless, but I did get 2 of these. Lastly, what I did pick up was my artificial or like my fake flowers. I think the Dollar Tree has the best buy for fake flowers. Are they as full and like luxurious looking as like a Hobby Lobby or a Michael's? Absolutely not. But for fake flowers, for seasonal decor, you really can't beat the price. So I do put out a lot of fake flowers throughout my house. I just like them. But for my living room or like my dining area, I have the 2 galvanized like tins that are on the wall. And what I was thinking was sunflowers. So I mean, sunflowers are so great for fall, and this color is so pretty. So I think I got 3 and 3, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. So, did I get 3 and 3? Yeah. So I got 3 of these sunflowers in like this burnt orange color. I think they're really pretty, and I think they'll really fit in with like the whole rustic theme of my house. And then I got these ones where they're yellow but with the burnt orange on the inside. So what I'm planning on doing is just probably mixing them up, something around like this maybe. I don't know. I'll figure it out. I do know I have flowers downstairs from last year, so I'll probably incorporate some of them in this whole thing. So I got those. And then I have a like tall metal pitcher that I keep on the floor, and I always put like the tall stems in those. And this year I found these, and I thought maybe I can make something with this. So like I said, it is tall. So I came across these yellow delphiniums. I don't know, someone's gonna crucify my pronunciation, but yeah, so these are like this like mustard yellow color where they're like a little yellow, a little orange. I really like them. Very, very fall. So I got these 3, and then I got these like, what do they call them? Oh, this is a eucalyptus, and I think the other one was called, oh yeah, they're both eucalyptus. Okay, so then I found these are 2 eucalyptus things here, and they kind of have like the stems. I think they're really pretty. So my plan is to have these 3 and have these kind of like a filler around it. You kind of see how I'm getting this together here. And then I bought this. This is a pumpkin filler, and it has this little like rustic orange, like burnt orange, not burnt, like brownie orange color on them. There's just 3. I might go back and pick up another one. I kind of got to see how everything comes to play, but it is like something like that. And what is this all? How many did I buy? Let's see, 3, 4, 5. So $5. You can't, I mean, if you were to buy like a set like this from Marshall's or something like that, you guys know it's like 20, 30 bucks. So, and I think it looks really pretty. I mean, obviously I have to fluff them and, you know, kind of mess with them a little bit more, but you can't beat the price. So I'm going to go ahead and just wrap this haul up. If you guys love the Dollar Tree like myself and have found any good buys, please let me know. I am going to probably head downstairs within like the next week or so and kind of go through my fall stuff and kind of see what I have and kind of take an inventory. I do know that I'm going to look into getting some throw pillow covers maybe, and a throw for the back of my couch, and I think maybe some placemats. But other than that, I think I'm pretty good. I'm not trying to just kill myself and kill my budget this year with a bunch of home decor. I'm trying to stay as basic and just changing out little pieces to add color. But if you guys are new here, I would love if you would please subscribe, and do not forget to hit the notification bell, because we do a little bit of everything around here. We touch on everything that is anything in your everyday life. And if you guys do not follow me on Instagram, I will put my tag right here. Please do so. We would love to have you, and I will see you guys on the next video. Alright guys, I'll see you later. Have a good one.
On repeat, I would break like a twig right under your feet.